Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is going to be company meetings. Company meetings. Now company meetings, coming to this, hope you all know company and let me say what is this meeting. Companies Act 2013 did not define this meeting in any section. Any section. Now let us say in a simple term, meeting is a place where two or more persons get together get together to for what they get together to to discuss any common common issue. Hope you all understood what is this meeting. Yes, done. Come after this meeting, let me say one more time, this meeting is not at all anywhere defined in Companies Act 2013. It's a general meeting. Done. Now coming to one more heading, what are the essential requirements? That means to conduct this meeting, what are the essential requirements essential requirements of a valid meeting. Again let me say this valid meeting is also of company's valid meeting. Yes, done. Now let me say meeting is a place where two or more persons get together to discuss any common issue. Hope we all know what will be the common issue in the company, about the issue of shares, about the bonus shares, about the dividend rate, etc. 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 Now our topic is essential requirements of a valid meeting. In this, our first one is compulsorily. Hope all of you know this essential. Done. First essential is proper notice. That means to conduct a valid meeting, notice should be given firstly. Done. Hope you all know what is this notice. To attend a marriage, we will get an invitation card, that is called proper notice. And second one is right convening authority. Right convening authority. It's nothing but when the meeting is going on, that meeting should be conducted by the standard people. Example, BODs, that is board of directors. Board of directors. And next one, after this right convening authority, the third one is right or proper possibility of agenda. That means every member must attend the meeting. That should be according to the agenda. That means whatever is mentioned to be conducted in agenda will be presented first. And next one is proper presiding officer. Coming to this proper presiding officer, it does mean that a standard officer should conduct the meeting. Coming to the next point, lawful assembly. It's nothing but the meeting what we are conducting should be lawful. That means according to the Companies Act 2013. Coming to next point, it is nothing but number of members. According to law, this number of members is termed as quorum. Quorum is nothing but what the meeting you are conducted and what the minimum and what will be the maximum number of members should be attended is called quorum. Coming to this quorum, In an annual general meeting, if it is a public company, minimum number is 5. Minimum 5 members should attend the meeting. If it is a private company, minimum 2 members should attend the meeting. This is called as quorum. Coming to the 7th point, it's nothing but compliance. Its meaning is a valid meeting must be conducted according to provisions of the rules. That means we should follow the articles of association. Already we know memorandum of association will be the incorporation of the company, will be prepared for incorporation of company. Articles of association will be formed for running of company. That's what, while you run the company and when you are conducting a meeting, articles of association should be followed. And coming to this meeting, let me revise it once again. Meeting is a place where 2 or more persons get together to discuss any common issue. And what are the essentials? We have 7 essentials. First one is a notice should be given, and the meeting should be conducted by the correct authority, and it should be according to agenda. Officers should be there, and this meeting should be lawful, and number of members should be there, and should be according to the articles of association. Yes, today's this is company's meeting, and in my next video we'll go deeply about this notice. Thank you one and all for viewing my channel. Please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you one and all.